Hello and welcome to Introduction to Presentations. In this course you will learn how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. This course does not require a textbook. I will be using videos and websites to be able to teach you the topics in the course. So there's no extra cost in the course. You also have the option to download the free version of Microsoft. It's called Office 365. And have the most up-to-date version of Microsoft Office. So right now I'm in the course, and I'm going to point out a couple things. When you get into the course, on the left-hand side you're going to see your visual table of contents, which has your modules that you're going to be going in and doing your work. You also have an announcement section in your course. Check these announcements often. These will also go out to your college email as reminders as well. So make sure you do not reply to anything that comes out of Brightspace out to your T-Wolves, because it will be sent back to a generic email and I will not get it. So you can actually come into here and go into email here and send me an email message right through Brightspace if you want to. I also have my email posted all over the place inside the course. Okay? Now, at this point, to move on in the course, you're looking right now at the course homepage. If you click on a module, okay, you can see the content in the module. You can click on the first item, and you'll be able to read through the first item in the course, and you can go back to the previous location, or you can just arrow through and go to the next topic. Okay? And if I get through everything in that module, it will automatically bump you back out to the next module in the course. And then you can go through those documents. A couple of things you want to pay very close attention to is the course syllabus and the course schedule. Those are very important. You also have here the option to get the free Microsoft Office software. Okay? Now you want to make sure that you download the software onto your computer. Don't use just the cloud version, or you won't have access to all the tools that you'll need for the projects inside this course. Okay? So once you've gone through the start here, you've looked over the course information documents, which is the module we're in right now. You can either click here to go into Mod 1, and this has the content for Mod 1 showing up in here. And this is your introduction. Now basically all my modules will have a module overview, so go in and read that overview. I've tried to put information about due dates on the top of the modules as well. And every module will have a quiz, an assignment, probably some videos for you to watch, and this one has the second quiz in it, and you're going to have a discussion in every single module. Okay, I shouldn't say that. Mod 5, you don't have a discussion. Okay, and so, kind of work through the module and do the assignments. Okay, now what I've tried to do is give you videos, so when you go to do your first assignment, there's a video in here how to do an assignment. Okay, when you go to do your first discussion, there's a video here on how to participate in discussions if you haven't used the discussions in Brightspace. Okay, so go through, and every module has a set of due dates. Every week your first post to your discussion is due earlier than the end of the module, so make sure you check the schedule for that. Okay, and then your 2 replies. Every single discussion in the course has 2 replies, and you'll have those due by the end of the module. Now with the replies, there's very specific instructions for your first post and your 2 replies, so make sure that you read through the discussion instructions. Okay, so this is how you're going to go in and navigate through the content in the course. A couple of other things you're going to see at the top. What you're looking at right now is the content. Grades. Once you start going in and you start completing homework assignments, you'll see grades starting to appear in here. And next to it, you might see an option of view a rubric, view inline grading, view feedback, and you can click on each one of those links to open up and see what I've written to you or what I've used to grade your assignments. Okay, so it's very important to make sure you check this regularly. Class progress, you'll be able to see what you've completed in the course. Right now I'm in as a test student, so I have nothing done. Underneath course tools, there is a quick link to certain pieces of information inside the course. You can get to all your assignments from here. You can get to all your discussions and all your quizzes from here. You really should be getting to them through the modules, though, because there's specific directions in there. Okay. Help and resources. If you want to learn more about Brightspace, you want help with an online course, getting started in online, step-by-step instructions, and getting help with Brightspace. Now, this SUNY Online Help Desk is open till midnight during the week, and it has weekend hours. So, for an example, if you have a problem submitting an assignment in Brightspace, you can actually give them a call and they'll walk you through submitting that assignment. Okay? Or if you're having a problem seeing a quiz or accessing a quiz, you can go in there and say, why can't I access this quiz? Things like that. You can also check your system. Make sure you're using Chrome or Firefox. Chrome is the preferred browser. Okay? But you can check your system through this. We also have a link in each course for the MyNCCC. This is an area where you can go into the college website. You can go in and get tutoring, Banner Web Access, DegreeWorks, the library. Here's another link to get Office 365, get help with online learning. Smart Evals has to do when you do evaluations of your instructors in your courses. There's a link to Starfish, Testing Center Reserve Form. This is if you need accommodations and you need to take a test inside the testing center. Here's a form to put in for it. And then there's T-Wolf's email that you can access from here. Okay, so those are all the different components of this course. So at any time you can, come back out. You can check the announcements. I've tried to put in there, my contact information. I also have my contact information in the start here and in the syllabus as well. Don't forget about the schedule. Take a look at the schedule. I would download it, and I put in there when the first post is due and when the rest of the assignments are due for each module. So this will get you started, and if you have any questions, make sure you email me and let me know what course you're in, because I have a couple of classes running right now.